Hi, this is Lynn Como with Close to My Heart, and I am super excited about sharing with you my next online weekend crop on Facebook. It will be August 29th and 30th, and it's all about the happiest place. It'll be a great time for you to come together with me and create and learn, cut, measure, emboss, stamp, thin cut, so much wonderful ideas that we'll be putting together for this crop on these 32 pages. The cost of the crop is only $50, and if you register by August 8th, you will also receive a copy of our brand new core and seasonal books for free. This new core catalog is chock filled with brand new products and texture items, great new things that I'm so excited to share with you in the coming months. Totally awesome that you'll get that. Oh, did you see that wood grain paper? Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Not only that, this is our new seasonal expressions for the fall, which also has a Christmas card workshop, and we also have beautiful sunflowers and much more in here. So these two books will be sent to you for free, which is over a $5 value, right to your door so that you have it in time to start in September. But let me tell you a little bit about the bundles that I have. I'm offering two bundles. The very best deal is the way to go to make 32 awesome scrapbooking pages for $267. You will create the 32 pages as well as receive $40 in free hostess rewards and any item of your choice at half price. The bundle number 2 is for those of you who only want to do a portion. You'll do 16 great pages. So those pages will be, I'm going to show them to you what they look like as well. It's $163, and you'll also receive $25 in free hostess rewards. I will do videos. They'll be recorded. We will cut. We will measure, stamp, thin cut, embossing. Great techniques and great ideas to show you. Let me show you how beautiful the artwork really is. This first portion that I'm showing you is for the Cut Above layout kit. I've taken the 8.5 by 11 kit and changed it into 12 by 12 format, so this works perfectly in your 12 by 12 albums. This right here is the title page. And we are doing stamping, we are coloring in with markers, and we're adding a lot of fun texture with bling and dots. Another great page. It also includes 4x6 flip flaps and also 2x2 flip flaps. Look at this cute little title that's stamped. It also includes the magical alphabet stamp set. We're going to use shimmer brushes, which are additional purchases if you'd like, because many of you already have them. But look how pretty this page is. Say cheese. This is anytime. You do not have to do the Disney Mickey. You would use this with your circle cuts. You could do this for anything. But this is stamped, and you'll also receive the stamp set for Happiest Place. And here you also receive a 4x4 flip flap. So the flip flaps in this particular portion are included. Let me switch this around. Look at these beautiful pages, and the colors really pop. We're adding a little bit of shimmer brushes. Here's a 3x3 flip flap for adding your journaling. The acrylic pieces are also included, and you see how I use the bling and really have fun creating these pages into 12 by 12. Now, when I look at this page, I think of Disney characters or watching some of the shows that they do in Disney. But this could be any theatrical event. It could be a country fair that you go to, any of the local bazaars, anything that you do that includes rides and amusement parks can be used on any of these pages. This has a 4x6 flip flap. And here you can see that I stamped the balloons. And it also includes a journaling marker to create some of the lines and also to add your own journaling. Super cute layout. The colors are really popping, and this is adorable. With the balloons, and this is stamped. The home is stamped in candy apple ink. We're speckling some of the pages. You can see how we're adding our stickers. This portion of the kit has all punch outs. They're just beautiful. I love this layout too. I love the stripes, the magical, the clouds, the sun. 4x6. You will be able to put a lot of photos in here, but these can be used for anything. Just think beyond Disney and you will be able to use these pages for any other family event as well. Any kind of happy celebration. It could even be a birthday. Enjoy the ride. What rides are you going on this summer? Here is your 3x3 flip flap over here. And yes, I am using our acrylic shapes to add some extra pop to these pages. Love that glacier paper, and I love the banner that we've included with the bling. The bling is also included. And this is the last page. This would be the end of your book. Those are the first 16 pages using the cut above, which is part of bundle number 2. So you could just make these 16 pages. This is stamped. But why stop there, right? When you take a lot of photos, you want to scrapbook as many as you can. And now these are the extra 16 pages that are in the best deal bundle. You will be enjoying the opportunity to stamp and to use all of the papers that are included. And I love our new foil cardstock. So there you will be getting all the different cardstock and papers. But this is the magical place, and this is stamped, but you can put whatever you want, and this is stamped. Now I'm just going to show you that I did emboss that, but you don't have to. But I'm going to teach embossing on these pages. Love the balloons. Using the shimmer brushes for speckling and for shadowing things. Here's another set of pages. Here's that home. We're using a little bit of markers. You can use markers. You can use a watercolor brush. Once again, you can add Mickey or not. This is a great journaling spot for you. And I did use the Princess Castle, which is included in both of the bundles. Castles are something you could use for medieval times, European vacations, birthday celebrations, amusement parks. Really have fun with that stamp set. Look at the colors and how they pop, the yellow and the red. One of the things that you can also do is use our thin cuts to cut out fun. That's an additional purchase, but you might be able to use your Cricut or another stamp set if you'd like, or a thin cut to create this look. But not only that, I've included a 6x12 pocket page. This is one of our pocket pluses, so it holds 4x6s. And here you can see we stamped the we. I also embossed that, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Love the shimmer. I don't know if you can see it on the page, but that's some lemonade shimmer around the red stamped fireworks. Memories that are magical. Just having the opportunity to show you that you can use red, you can use white, black, blue. There's so many different color combinations, but they all work so well, either inside this album or kit, or you can use them separately. If you take out Disney, you could easily have some kind of a birthday page. These are our beautiful stickers. They have a nice shimmer and shine to them. And then I did use a little bit of holographic paper to do some of our thin cuts and the balloons. Epcot. Who doesn't go to Epcot? But just think outside the box. If you're not going to Epcot, you can use this. This is a 4x6 flip flap. But I wanted to show you, look how great that is. Now, many of you purchased the Aurora card making kit. That world and this one is out of there. If that's something you don't have, let me know and we can work something out for you. But these are the same letters that I use to create the title here that you saw before with fun. Look how pretty cool that is, right? And some of these are stickers and stamps and just adding all of that bling. Thanks, Jackie Paik, for the idea on the layout. She's a fellow consultant in Australia. Look at this one. Look at the colors, the white, the glacier, the foil paper. When you see the stars and the stripes that have that silver foil, that is included, and that cardstock is also sold separately. So if you want to get an extra pack, you can. The Hooray for You is another thin cut that you can add on if you'd like. We've used it with Summer Vibes, and now here we are using it again, and I just love that look. But isn't this idea cool? Look what I did to Smiles. Using the tiny stars that come in the kit, and I also backed this up with a little bit of holographic paper, it really made a pop to mimic the stars that are in Hooray for Today. Say cheese. This could be used in any kind of a birthday or celebration setting, anything that you'd like that's not Disney related. Now, I'm sorry about the glare on this, but there's a reason I need to show you this. And actually, let's switch it up because it goes this way. So it's Happy Day and it's magical. But what I love about this is it's going to show you how to create beautiful flip-flap opportunities to hold so many photos. Isn't that wonderful to have that? Look at how many flips we're adding. So the 4x6 and the 3x4 flip-flaps are included in the bundle. The best deal. Love this. Totally am in love with doing this and showing you how. That's what's so exciting to me, is to show you how to do all this fun details. And then lastly, just check these pages out. Maybe you had a great 4th of July celebration. And look at how cool these pages are with that striped foil, the star foil. But I also took it a step further and I am silver embossed. And that's optional for you. You don't have to do it if you don't like. But that's pretty cool. I also did some embossing on the holographic paper. And this is red embossed. So those are optional things for you. I love having the title, boom, wow, and these are the last 2 pages of 32 pages complete to create it all. So I hope you're really excited about it as I am to join me to do this Happiest Day online weekend crop, August 29th and 30th. Details will be on my blog. You can also email me, and I will have registration opening up August 1st. So stay tuned for those details. Have a great day, and I hope to have you join me.